Hello, and welcome to Best Reviews. If you're passionate about sewing, whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced creator looking for the latest upgrades, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best sewing machines of 2025 that combine innovation, durability, and ease of use to make your sewing projects smoother than ever. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated with the latest reviews. And if you're interested in any of these amazing machines, you can find all the product links in the description box below. At number 5, we have the FEIYUE FYE310, a full-size sewing machine that packs power and convenience into a portable design. Equipped with a powerful servo motor, this model delivers smooth and consistent performance for heavy-duty projects. It comes with 25 built-in stitches, a foot pedal for easy control, and includes 6 bobbins plus 5 sewing feet to get you started. Despite its strength, the FYE310 is compact and portable, making it perfect for both home use and sewing on the go. Its sleek red design adds a stylish touch to your workspace while giving you the reliability you need for any sewing task. At number 4, the Singer HD 500 Classic combines vintage-inspired design with modern sewing innovation. With 23 built-in stitches, a one-step buttonhole, and a built-in needle threader, it's both stylish and practical. The full metal frame ensures durability, while the powerful motor delivers 50% more piercing power, letting you handle heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, and multiple layers with ease. You also get customizable stitch settings for length, width, and needle position, giving you flexibility for precision top stitching, decorative stitches, and more. Plus, the LED light ensures clear visibility as you work. This is the perfect blend of strength, functionality, and retro charm. Taking the third spot is the Singer M1000, a compact and lightweight sewing machine weighing only 5.5 pounds. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, small spaces, or even travel. Despite its size, it offers 32 stitch applications, covering everything from straight and zigzag to blind hems, ideal for repairs, garment adjustments, or creative projects. It also comes with handy accessories like an all-purpose foot, extra needle, transparent bobbins, and a manual threader to kickstart your sewing journey. The top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover makes setup quick and easy, helping beginners avoid common threading issues. At number 2, we have the Brother GX37, a versatile and beginner-friendly option with 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole. It features an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, both designed to save you time and frustration. With 6 included sewing feet, bobbins, a needle set, and even an instructional DVD, you're equipped for a variety of projects right out of the box. The free arm design makes it perfect for sewing sleeves, cuffs, and other tricky areas, while its reliability suits both beginners and more advanced users. Plus, Brothers at your side support ensures you'll always have technical help when you need it. Finally, at number 1, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 takes the crown as the ultimate sewing and quilting machine for 2025. With an incredible 600 built-in stitches and over 1,100 stitch applications, it's one of the most versatile machines on the market. Features like mirror imaging and stitch elongation let you create unique, professional-level designs for quilting, fashion, home decor, and crafts. It comes loaded with 13 presser feet, an extension table, a hard case, and plenty of extra tools to handle any project with ease. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system with a clear cover save time and keep your work flowing smoothly. Whether you're a passionate hobbyist or a professional, the Quantum Stylist 9960 gives you endless creative possibilities and unmatched performance.